Time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you've got for me today. Frankie, I hate to admit it, but I love bread bowl soups and those taco salads that are served in a fried tortilla shell. What else can I make in an edible bowl? I'm pretty sure you can turn anything into a bowl. It can't be impossible. Let's see what we've got to work with. Yoink. Ooh, butter and eggs. And cheese. Eggs, cheese, butter. These three things will not make a bowl. So why don't we head over to the pantry and see what else we can drum up. I am looking at pasta here. We got spaghetti here. I think we go with this. So that means we're gonna make tomato sauce. Okay, cool. We got spaghetti and tomato sauce. Got some garlic. We're opening the fridge. We got rice in here, we got raspberries, and I'm looking at ground beef. And when I see ground beef, and I got spaghetti and tomato sauce, I think spaghetti and meatballs. I see raisins. I know it's very controversial, but Nana Ricky used to do the raisins. Oh, look at that. We got breadcrumbs. We've got meatballs. We've got some raisins, which I like to put in there. The plan I'm gonna try to execute is cook spaghetti, mix spaghetti with glue, is eggs and cheese. Try to set spaghetti in a bowl. All the while, I will make a spicy meatball in a tomato sauce. Let's get started. I am gonna salt my pasta water pretty aggressively. Spaghetti. Let's start making the meatballs, okay? Because they're gonna take a little bit longer. The sauce is so quick. Into the bowl. Both my grandmas used to put raisins in their meatballs. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in my raisins, like that, and you'll see they get a little more plump, and that's gonna make a big difference. I'm seasoning my beef. So I got black pepper, I got salt, I got some fresh oregano here. Going in. I got a whole bunch of parsley right here. Chop this up, stems and all. Great, parsley going down. Garlic, nice. Garlic going in. All right, our pasta's just slightly undercooked, and I think that's good because we're basically gonna give it a second cook. So let's grab that spaghetti out. All right, so we'll let this pasta cool. We're gonna make a nice pasta glue. So we're gonna go 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 eggs. We're gonna grate some parm into this. I'm gonna mix the eggs. We're gonna bake with this right here. I'm literally gonna take this butter and I'm just gonna start smushing it around here. I'm gonna butter up a second one. I feel like sticking could be a problem. So I'm mixing my pasta up with egg and cheese, and the two are gonna help bind it all together. We're gonna try to make the pasta bowl 2 different ways. Way number 1, egg and cheese. Here we go. I'm putting the pasta in an oven-safe bowl and I'm trying to spread it out as best I can. Way number 2, fry this in a pan and then lay it into a bowl. All right, so I'm trying to spread it out as much as possible while keeping it at a pretty even layer. All right, let's see if we can flip this. We'll flip it back. All right, and now, I'm gonna pop these in the oven and hope that we get some structural integrity. Let's see what happens here. We're back to our meatball here. We gotta get some cheese in there, rehydrated raisins. All right, and we'll crack an egg right into there. All right, so I'm looking for a meatball that's a little bit wetter than I want, and then I'm gonna dry it out with breadcrumb. Let's hit it with some package or spicy. Oh, that's gonna be a spicy meatball. So I like to bake my meatballs so that it has even heat all around and even browning. So here we've got a sheet tray. I'm just gonna hit it with this butter here. That's gonna be my grease. I'm just gonna grab a little bit here. So a little compression until it's looking nice, right onto the tray. I tried really hard to make all the meatballs the same size. I think I did a really great job. I'm gonna throw these in the oven so that they start browning, and then I'm gonna wash my hands. Let's make a tomato sauce. So let's get some fire on our pan here. I got a couple cloves of garlic here. Extra virgin olive oil. And we'll take that smashed garlic. I got some spicy peppers here. Make the sauce a little extra spicy. I always like to angle the pan a little. This is also a great opportunity to season the garlic. I'm gonna pour the liquid of the tomato in. Now for the rest of these, we can hit it with an immersion blender. All right, this can go right in now. In with our passata, very nice. I think those pasta bowls might be ready. Let's take a look. I'm both optimistic and nervous. This could be a challenge. I mean, I hope they stay upright. I hope they don't fall out, but they do look pretty cool. Those meatballs are beautifully seared. It's time to finish them in the tomato sauce and just start putting them into the sauce. Beautiful. All right, bowl number 1. Look, it looks pretty cool. It's got some structural integrity. don't know which one I like more. All right, coming in with the meatball. So we'll get some cheese on here. Okay, we're coming in with some sauce. Here we go. That's very nice. A little more cheese like this. Got some basil. Right, we'll just go right here like that. So each of these spaghetti pasta bowls are like my children, you know? I love them both. I can't pick a winner. They're both different and beautiful in each of their ways. And I give my children a 10. How do you even eat this? A spicy meatball. Look at that cross section. I love my meatballs. They are a 10. The pasta is cooked absolutely perfectly, and I like the crunch. That is a 10. The one negative that I've got here is that there's a little bit of burnt omelet taste. And so for that, I am giving this a 9.9. We've got a 10 on looks. We've got a 9.9 on flavor because we can just do a little bit better with that eggy taste. That comes to 19.9, and when you multiply that by 5, it comes to 99.5. which is really close to a perfect score. I think this was really fun. I think it looks really cool. And I thank you for this challenge.